To download the Kalshi app on your Android phone, you'll first want to locate the Google Play Store, which looks like this. Depending on your phone, you might have the Play Store on your home screen, or you might need to swipe up to reveal your app drawer and then find the Play Store from there. Once you're in the Play Store, you'll see lists of suggested apps, and you can browse charts for most downloaded or otherwise popular apps. If you know what you're looking for, the easiest way to find it is to use the search. I'll tap Search on the bottom, and then activate the text field and type Kalshi in the search. It'll be on the top of my search results, along with some sponsored results and ads. Tap the app to view more details, reviews, and previews, and then tap the Install button to download it. Once the app is downloaded, you can open it directly from here, and you're basically all set. Just log in with an existing account, or sign up for a new account if you don't have one already. After you install apps, they might go directly on your home screen, like it did on mine, or you'll find it in your app drawer. I can swipe up to reveal the app in my app drawer, and if you want to add it to your home screen, you can long press any app and choose Add to Home Screen. And of course, on the home screen, you can tap, hold, and drag apps to reorder them and move them across different pages. And there you have it. Click the like button if this helped, and subscribe for more quick guides like this. Thanks all, I'll see you in the next one.